Aside to the observation deck at the Chocolate Hills complex, there was also a resort at the top of the biggest hill. In the town of Carmen, the complex also includes accommodations, a restaurant, and a gift shop. The Chocolate Hills are the third National Geological Monument. Established in 1988, the attraction is exactly what it sounds like. Rounded hills located at the center of a tiny island that go brown in color during the dry season. So they end up looking like a giant chocolate truffles. Therefore, the geologists categorize the landform as conical karst topography in layman terms.